Tasters! It's another day and a brand new video. So, currently I am standing in her garden, which is pretty much a unfamiliar background because normally we are filming in a room over there, right there. We are going to Tagaytay. It will be a food and travel vlog. So I am so excited for you guys to come along with me. We are preparing some stuff. We are putting stuff into the car. My cat is staring at me. Like, she's right there. My cat. We rescued her. We are actually, I think, done with everything we need to put inside the car. I'm just gonna wash my hands because I pet my dog. We are going! Finally! Okay, I'm gonna hop into the car before I get left. But yeah, the travel, like I said, the travel is like 1 hour and 30 minutes, so I have a lot of time to kill. Oh, it's raining! I'm gonna recline my chair a bit more, you know? This is gonna be a pretty long trip. Well, it's actually not that long, it's just 1 hour and 30 minutes, but like, I kinda get impatient at times. Or I sleep through the entire ride, but like, that's very unlikely. I sleep mostly like quarterly of the ride. The rain is currently starting to pour more and more. It's actually been pretty long since the last time I checked in. It's 11:10. We are already in the mountains. Just 39 minutes more until we arrive. We are passing by Fantasy World. It's like this cool abandoned castle palace. It's abandoned and it looks really pretty. As in, it looks like it kind of looks like Disneyland. It's so pretty. Okay, we'll see. It's so breezy as well. So pretty. It's so windy actually right now. Really windy. And it smells like grass. Like wet grass. Okay. We are finally down and oh my god, the view is so pretty. We got like some stamps on our wrists. So pretty. Oh. It literally looks like it came out of a Disney movie. It looks magical. Look at that. It's like Disneyland. It's so pretty. Look at that view. Oh my god. Wow. So nice. I remember those towers. I remember those towers. That's where I was scared to cross. I only remember that part. No, I am not going through that. It's so breezy here and it's so pretty. Even though it's abandoned, the magic was not sucked out. Whoa. So we just finished strolling inside of Fantasy World. It was, oh, here's the castle. That is really pretty. Oh, that's such a pretty view. We are looking for a place to eat because we are getting pretty hungry because it's 1 PM already. Okay, I'll check back on you guys once we have found the restaurant that we want to eat in. We are at a restaurant. We found this really pretty looking place. It's like, it has a really great view. I should show them that view. It's like a full view of the volcano. We already ordered our food, so we're pretty much just gonna wait for our food until it arrives. So our food already arrived. We've been eating for a while because we are pretty hungry. Good thing we didn't forget to film. I currently have here a salted egg. A salted egg is just like a fermented egg in like mud with salt. It's really yummy, especially with like barbecue or something, which there's actually some barbecue right in my place. And there's also shrimp. The shrimp is good. It's not the best shrimp I've had, but it's really yummy. I also have soup. It's just like a bulalo soup. If you don't know what bulalo is, it's like a stew, a beef bone marrow stew. It's really good and yummy. It has a really rich, savory flavor. We actually also ordered garlic rice, which garlic rice is pretty much just rice sauteed in garlic and butter. It's just like a small twist on regular rice, but it's so good. We're just gonna continue eating and then I'll get back to you guys later. So we just finished having a really heavy and delicious lunch. We are going to try to look for a place to get buko pie. We have 2 places on the itinerary, and so we are currently getting some buko pie. I am excited to try it out. There's like a ton more like pasalubong and stuff. Ooh, there's sunflower seeds right here. So we're just gonna get some buko pie and then we're gonna go to our lunch. We have finally checked into our hotel. Oh, these beds are soft. As in, really soft. There's a chandelier. It's so pretty. This reminds me of Christmas movies. Ooh, their kitchen is actually pretty nice. Oh, there's a soft tea here. This is the bathroom. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Their bathroom is really nice. As in really nice. Yeah, this is like a mini fridge. Very small, but cute. Then there are 2 beds. And there's a TV that's playing Cartoon Network. So we're just gonna relax in here for a couple of hours, then we're gonna go back out and explore the city of Tagaytay. So we're currently just resting and we wanted to eat the buko pie. It's actually really good. The crust is flaky and it's delicate. It's so good. The coconut meat was, I'm pretty sure, cooked in what would the maybe like milk and sugar and flour. It's really good. When you taste this, it's like the best dessert you will ever have. So it is pretty late at night. I think it's around 9 or 10. We didn't end up going out because we were pretty tired. But that's the end of day 1 here in Tagaytay. Tomorrow we don't know what we have planned just yet, but we are gonna try to go to as many places as possible. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. So it is the next day and we are having breakfast. It's some free breakfast. The food actually looks really good. I got pancakes, Italian sausage, and a semi-side up egg. Then there's some cucumbers on the side. Then there's another one because the breakfast was meant for 4 people, so we have 1 extra over there. Pancakes, bacon, and a regular scrambled egg. Then my mom and my dad just got the same thing, a semi-side up egg instead of a scrambled egg, but it's fried milkfish. And there's also hot chocolate, and there's also orange juice, but it doesn't look like orange juice actually. It looks more of like a pomelo juice. Then my mom has some tea right there. And then we of course have some water. So now we are going to dig into our breakfast because we are getting pretty hungry. Hello tasters! It's the second day of our staycation in Tagaytay and we are in the car on the way to the People's Park in the Sky where the view is great, so I am excited to vlog over there. And yeah, here at Tagaytay, when you stay, have a vacation, you can stay at a hotel or an inn, even a lodge or an Airbnb, so that you can find the cheapest place, so that you can save up more money to do the tourist attractions. We are now close to People's Park in the Sky. It will just take a few more minutes. Right? Yeah. We are currently just hiking up into big overlook view of the entire Tagaytay. And we are passing by a ton of greenery. They also have vehicles to drive you up the okay, I'm losing my breath, to the overlook view, but we're just hiking it. Let's go. My arms are getting a bit tired. There's also that little, or like a resting station for anyone who is already getting tired. I'm not sure what these are. I think these are ocarina trees. My mom loves growing plants, so that's why I kind of know. But maybe they are pine trees. I'm not sure. There's another waiting post which seems to have a better view of the entire city. I'll meet you guys up. And that's where we are meant to go. We are finally up here. Look at this view. Pretty tiring, but we're here. I told you this view is amazing. Look at that! It's so pretty! It's so windy. I put my hair up because my hair is going to fly all over my face. They have like bananas also down there for like if you want to have a lunch. They also have like a picnic grove here in Tagaytay, which is different from here. And it's also a really nice place to go. There's a lot of hiking trails and you can even ride a horse. Going down is much easier than going up, and it's much more faster because you can just go straight. Force of gravity. We are currently getting taho, which is like a brown sugar and sago tofu drink. They also have strawberry flavor. It's 30 pesos each. We are now in the car and we have the taho. I got the strawberry flavored one. It's really good. It's like a Right now, we are just waiting for Sky Ranch to open. Okay, tasters, we're inside Sky Ranch already. Some of the rides aren't open yet, or some of the games even. The lady at the reception told us that maybe some rides will open at 11 or 12, so it's not really much of a big problem because we are not planning on riding any rides. I am a big softie and I don't like extreme rides. I learned my lesson one time. Hello! We are getting ice cream. It's only chocolate flavored. The ice cream is the best chocolate ice cream I've had actually. It's not too strong. After this, we are going to head to the phase 1 of the park, and then we are going to go back out and go to the gingerbread house in Alfonso, Cavite, which it's not too far from here. My dad said it's just 25 minutes away, so we're gonna go there. Here also at Sky Ranch, there are many restaurants. It can range up to this 7-Eleven, which 7-Eleven is a convenience store. And then it's a big line up to here. There are literally many restaurants. You can find like classic Filipino food, like platter food, and like I'm pretty sure I also saw like seafood stuff. You can get a lot of good food here. Now we are heading to our next place on the itinerary. Okay, tasters, we are very close to the gingerbread house, just a couple of minutes away. I'm very excited. It's really getting me all riled up for Christmas. The gingerbread house.